Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Oura membership and app setup, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Oura membership and app setup, start by signing into your current Oura account on the app. Open the app and navigate to the settings menu. Select the option for account management. Here, you will find the option to transfer your membership. Ensure you have access to the email associated with your current account. Next, tap on the Transfer Membership button. You'll receive a confirmation email, so check your inbox. Open the email from Oura and click on the provided link. This link will direct you to a setup page for your new account. Follow the prompts to create a new Oura account using your preferred email. Once your new account is set up, you will need to link it to your Oura ring. To do this, go back to the app and select the option to add or connect a device. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your Oura ring with the new account. After the ring is successfully connected, review your membership details. Make sure your subscription plan has been transferred as intended. Next, customize your app settings to your preferences. Adjust notifications, tracking options, and health metrics as needed. Finally, explore the features available to maximize your experience with Oura. Your membership and app setup are now fully transferred to your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.